Hello and welcome. I'm on the lot at Ford. We're going to look at a 2020 Ford Escape. What do you think about that? He's got new ones in. Now, this is an SE. They took the fog lights out of the SEs. You used to get that. I also want to ask you, what color do you think this is? Okay, let's look at it up close. It's called Dark Persian Green Metallic. So it's got a whole new front end from the 2019, which is right there with the Ford in the grill. The hood on these opens right down here, so you don't have a line. 2020, they open the hood way up here. Okay, and you get this big nose in front of it with the Ford stuck on it. I don't know, I guess it would have to grow on you, of course, as whenever cars change. You still keep the active shutter, so as you drive down the road, these shutters close, and to get you better fuel mileage. They're made, of course, at a UAW union plant in Louisville, Kentucky, where cars should be made by USA Cars. The tablet right there, style radio, I'm never a fan of it. A lot of cars are going to this. I don't like it. I think the sun hits it too much. See, in the older ones, it's integrated into the dashboard. The seats get that weird fabric. I'd like to feel it sometime. You get Ford 360 in all of them with lane keeping assist and, all that kind of stuff. Let's talk about numbers. 2733. On this one, this is a front wheel drive 1.5, but what it doesn't say on there, this is a 3-cylinder. Okay, so, and it shuts off one cylinder on the highway, so it's 2 cylinders run down the highway. And they have a new 8-speed automatic. Everything is new on it. Here we go, made in Louisville, of course. Number right there, 28,290 with no options. These two things don't cost anything. So you do get Sync 3 in this. You go Copilot 360. You have XM radio in them. 17-inch wheels. These are Michelin Primacies. Nice. Michelin's on them, so that's pretty nice. Of course, this one gets Michelin's also. It's a 19, so some of them get that. You get a different tail from the back from the other one. It moved the escape badge to right here where it writes it out in words instead of having it down here. They all, of course, are labeled EcoBoost, so you get the you also get the wing on the back, which the other ones don't get. You have to pay extra for that on there. I do like that wing. It'll keep it a little bit darker in there. Super nice. So there you go. That's the new 2020. I don't know about the green. Doesn't look that green to me. Maybe a little bit green. They also took the roof rails. Those are on higher end models and options. I have rails on mine. I don't think I like them. I won't ever use them, and Ford limits them to like 100 and some pounds. So they also changed the fuel door. On the other ones, you just thumb open it. Now you open it from the inside. That'll matter to some people, depending where you live, I guess. Oh, they changed. I just noticed they changed the wipers. These wipers wipe from the inside out. These wipe like standard wipers. The inside out wipers I didn't think I'd like years ago, and I got a Focus. They are the greatest thing ever. You lose this side decorative piece here on it, which has been on them for many years, so you lose that as well. I don't know. I guess it'll have to grow on you. We'll see how it works out, and we'll, of course, let you know on it. So there you go. The 2020 Ford Focus is in. Looks like they're putting these HID headlight standard on these all the way down to the SE trim at least. I don't know. We'll see what happens, all right? Down there's my Focus down there and pointing it on the end. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back with another one.